Presenting Samsung Galaxy A52s. This smartphone is available in 3 color variants of black, violet and white. The phone comes in 2 size variants of 6GB RAM with 128GB internal storage and 8GB RAM with 128GB internal storage. Both are expandable up to 1TB. This phone has dual nano SIM connectivity with 5G connection and has dual standby. The 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMO LED Infinity O display with 1080 by 2400 pixels resolution, 407 ppi and 16 million colors gives you an immersive viewing experience. The 64-megapixel main camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, 5-megapixel macro camera, 5-megapixel depth camera and 32-megapixel selfie camera ensure that you can capture all your favorite moments on the go. Powered by Android 11 One UI Core 3.1 octa-core processor, this phone gives you a smooth performance. The 4500 mAh lithium-ion battery with 25-watt fast charging lets you work on your phone for longer. The box includes handset, ejection pin, manual, data cable and travel adapter. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.